Hello and welcome to DXG's A85V unboxing. It's a high definition webcam. Here's the box. Get a better view of that. Alright. I've already done some opening, so I'll peel back the glossy. And as you can see, sorry for the glare, there it is. So we're going to open the box up. The packaging is very good. I open it up, and the first thing we have is our typical stop information, and we also have our documentation. That consists of a pretty nice little user's guide, some quick reference here, software information, and the software itself, of course. As you can see, some pretty good info in here, perhaps. Alright. Open this up to reveal some additional contents. On this side, we got all the accessory wires, etc. On this side is a case that's containing the camera. And power for the recharger, battery recharger. And here we have some USB in for the camera and your computer. And here we have video and audio out, non-high def, plugs into the USB on the camera. In this box, what we have is the recharger for the battery. It's an NP120. Here's where the end of the power cord is going to go in. Turn that right side up for the camera. Alright. And the way that's going to work is you're going to just plug that right on in there. Boom. You plug that in and your battery is going to recharge here, which is very convenient. You can pick up a spare battery for less than $15 if you shop it around on Amazon.com, and that's great. The camera powers through the USB port if you have it plugged into your computer. So if you have run with the battery and you need to swap a battery, it's easy to keep one hot while you're using one. Shoulder carry strap, and here is the high def video cable. As you can see, one for your DV, this one for the camera. And this is the NP120 rechargeable battery. 3 power receptacles. When it comes time to charge it, you're going to want to line the pins here up with the metal, and it's going to snap right on into place. And it's got a little thumb area, so it's easy to pop right out. And that's it for the box. I'm going to set that aside. And here we have the case. It's a nylon, but it's not a bad looking little case. It has a belt loop here. It's got some double stitching, but hard to say how long it'll really hold up, but it feels like it's not too bad. This is DXG on the front, Velcro. And here is your camera. Very nice. Got a little hand grip here. Speaker. There's your 10 megapixel. And it opens up here for your viewing screen. That does swivel. And it swivels all the way around, so you can actually watch what you're recording if you happen to be the one in front of the camera. It does not come with an SD card, but this is the SD card slot. So just for this point, I don't have a class 6, but it will take up to a 16 gig class 6. There you go. This is a main power button, but the unit also powers on automatically when the door is open. It's not doing that now because I don't have the battery installed. If you come around to the back panel, this little slider here opens up the battery area. And we're going to take our battery and we're going to line this up with the minus and plus and slide that guy right in. Now this little gray catch is a little catch. Pushes that direction, so you need to kind of push it out of the way, slide that in, and then it clips and catches, and you snap that up. And now when you open her up, you'll see that the power indicator light is lit, and there we go. And of course we've got the lens cover here. And welcome to seeing yourself being filmed. I've been doing some preliminary videos, and it does take very nice still shots. Some of the indoor with indoor lighting photos of folks can be fuzzy. I'm working on that. Some of them I have a crystal clear, and some of them come out fuzzy. So it may be a part of me learning how to use the camera, as well as perhaps maybe the camera focus system. That is it in a nutshell. It does have your tripod mount there, very standard. And it's a very nice little camera. As you can see, it's easy to hold. All right, thank you.